Okay, today we're going to take a look at a good one, a good Zippo I just got. Now this one arrived in the regular Zippo box with a protective sleeve, and it says U.S. Navy on it. Now it's got the U.S. Navy hologram, which is pretty cool. It's the normal Zippo black box with the hologram on it. Also says U.S. Navy on the back. And it does have a collectible insert. There's the Navy emblem. So here's the Navy Zippo, and it says the Navy is calling, enlist now. And down at the bottom it says U.S. Navy recruitment station. I'm not sure if this is a retro poster, but it looks really good. It's on a looks like a street chrome finish, and it was made in, looks like F of 17, which is June or July. Pretty good stampings on this one. Got a steel insert. Lights up like a champ. Let's do a drop test on this Navy Zippo. So the Navy Zippo passes the drop test easily. That's a good one. I do have several other Navy Zippos. Here's the ones I could find right offhand. And I'm going to put it right over here for now. And the Navy Zippo definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.